In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change bank account in Stripe. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so your payouts land in the right place without any hiccups. Start by signing in to your Stripe dashboard in a web browser. If you manage multiple businesses or environments, make sure you're in the correct account and in live mode, since bank details for test mode won't affect real payouts. Once you're in, look to the top right corner and click the settings gear icon. This opens your account-wide settings. Under Account Settings, select Business. Here you'll find the financial details tied to your organization. Next, go to the Bank Accounts and Currencies tab. This page lists the bank accounts associated with each payout currency your business uses. Take a moment to confirm which currency you actually receive payouts in. If you operate in more than one currency, you'll see multiple lines. Choose the one you want to change. Find the currency for your payouts and click the Edit button next to the linked account. You'll be taken to a form where you can enter your new bank account information. Type the account holder name exactly as it appears on your bank statement and enter the account number and routing number with care. Use the fields as Stripe presents them for your region and avoid extra spaces or characters. Accuracy matters here, because even small typos can delay verification or misdirect funds. Having a recent bank statement handy can help you match the details precisely. For security, Stripe will send a verification prompt to the contact methods on file. You might receive an email with a link to confirm, or a text message with a code to enter. Complete that verification right away, since links and codes can expire. Make sure you have access to the registered email inbox or phone associated with your Stripe account before you start, to keep the process smooth. When everything looks correct, click Edit Account to update the existing bank details or add bank account if you're attaching a new one. After you save, Stripe will validate the information. Once confirmed, upcoming payouts for that currency will be routed to your new bank account. If you manage several currencies, repeat the same steps for each one as needed. That's all there is to it. Log in, head to Settings, select Business, open bank accounts and currencies. Edit the right currency, enter exact banking details, complete the verification, and save. Double-check your entries, and you'll be set for seamless payouts to your new account.